Hi folks, it's Switchback. If you're going on a trip, whether you're going solo backpacking, if you're going backpacking with a group, or even on a day hike, it's wise to leave an itinerary with someone so that if something does happen, someone knows to be alarmed and to alert the authorities. What exactly should go on that itinerary? Well, it'll be a little different, of course, for a day hike versus a backpacking trip, but that's what this video is all about today. One important thing, if you are leaving an itinerary with someone, is to let them know when you get back safely. Whether it's a day hike or a backpacking trip, let someone know what trailhead you're going to be at. What is the wilderness area, the park? Let them know the names of the people in your party, and potentially even let them know what your vehicle make, model, and license plate are and what clothes you're wearing. You could even take a picture and send that over to them. It's wise to let them know if you have any medical concerns or anything else that is relevant that they should be aware of. Note any satellite communication devices that you might be carrying, and let them know when you expect to be back at the very latest. If you're backpacking, let them know where you intend to camp, and also let them know what your tent looks like, what your backpack looks like, any major gear that you're carrying. Also let people know what routes you plan to take and any possibilities of where you might be going on a day hike. Let them know what your plan is if the weather turns or if anything else goes awry. Any possibilities, put it down. When I go on a trip, I let Mountain Goat know when I'm starting my day and when I stop my day. I let her know any possible places I might be camping, and I let her know when I know for sure exactly where I will be camping. I tell her what my definite route is and any possible places that I might want to explore, whether it's a mountaintop or a lake or another trail. Sometimes there are different things that I might want to explore, so it's good to let her know that. Thankfully, my Garmin InReach allows me to communicate with her for when plans do change. Now, if you need to know how to plan your next trip, you can go ahead and click on this video right here. I hope you got some value. If you did, thumbs up down below and hit that subscribe button. I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you. Bye. If the weather